process begins smoothly at the hydraulic uncoiler, securely feeding heavy steel coils directly into the line. As the material enters the main roll forming section, watch the sheer velocity of this equipment. Engineered for massive, uninterrupted output, this machine operates at a blazing speed of up to 60 meters per minute. That means significantly higher daily capacity and faster turnaround times for your roofing orders. At these extreme production speeds, precision is crucial. To maintain the pace, this line is equipped with an advanced flying electric cutting system. The cutter dynamically tracks the fast-moving metal and executes a clean, profile-matching cut on the fly without ever stopping or slowing down the machine. Despite the high speed and heavy-duty mechanics, the entire line is incredibly easy to run. A single operator at the smart control console can easily manage the process, fully automating batch sizes, lengths, and speed parameters. Maximum speed, minimal labor, and top-tier reliability. Elevate your roofing sheet production with Beli Industry Company. Contact us today to secure your high-performance roll forming solution.